Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. Oh my gosh, last weekend was by far the worst weekend of my entire life. I'm actually gonna film a video after this, just doing like a life update. I'm gonna include just a bunch of like vlog clips over the past few months and then do a life update on my vlog channel. And I'll tell you guys what happened last weekend. It was, I don't want to cry. I need to like, seriously the scariest fucking weekend of my entire life. Like, it was awful. So yeah, if you want to know, I'm gonna leave a cliffhanger here. If you want to know, go check out my vlog channel and watch that video. But today we're gonna do Poshmark Q&A. Okay, first question. Hey Vanessa, I really enjoy your YouTube videos. Thanks for all your insight. Could you discuss the following question in your next Q&A video? How do you handle seasonal changes on Poshmark? When would be a good time to start listing spring? When would be a good time to start listing spring items, swimsuits, etc.? Also, do you remove your winter pieces during the warmer months? Thank you. I'm always thinking one season ahead. So it's winter time right now. I'm thinking about spring. I haven't started sourcing, although I probably should because I don't have my shit together right now. But normally, because spring is actually next month. Oh my gosh. Yeah, spring's next month. So I've definitely dropped the ball on sourcing for spring stuff. But ideally, in the wintertime, I source for spring. In the spring, I source for summer, blah, 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 blah. I always like to stay one season ahead of time. It's typically what I like to do. Again, I don't have my shit together right now. I haven't started sourcing for spring. And your other question is also, do you remove your winter pieces during the warmer months? So no, because I feel like I sell, this is for me personally. I feel like I sell warmer clothes all year round. And by warmer clothes, I mean like sweatshirts and hoodies and stuff. I feel like I sell that all year round. Now, shorts, I actually removed almost all of my shorts during the winter, and I'm going to get ready to relist them again. Maybe that'll be a project for this week. But yeah, I'm going to get ready to relist them again. You know, it's colder weather, and I feel like people won't be going on vacations, even though people are still fucking, it just blows my mind that people are still traveling. Like, shit's still going down and people are still like, oh, I'm gonna go to Disney World and bring my kids and expose my kids to all these germs. You know, obviously people need a break. You know, they want to go on vacation, but just be fucking smart about it. Like, anyway, that was my thought. I didn't think people would be going on vacations, you know, during the winter time. And like the winter time is winter for like majority of the country. And also I took them down because it was less for me to share. Next question. Have you ever had a case open saying the item was damaged when it wasn't? I sent out a blouse in perfect condition. I looked it over twice, steamed it, packaged it with care, and multiple layers of plastic wraps, tissue paper, and a sturdy poly mailer. I had a case open up against me saying the entire blouse is shredded to pieces. That is completely a lie unless she did that herself. So yes, I have had people open cases saying, you know, something was damaged. And honestly, a couple of times they were like, you know, spots that I missed on them, or it got damaged in shipping. Shredded to pieces. First of all, I don't know when you sent this message, but I would ask for pictures. First of all, like reply back. I mean, Poshmark will probably ask for pictures. But yeah, I would wait to see the pictures and then, you know, kind of go from there. I mean, for somebody to shred something to pieces, that's pretty crazy. You know, maybe it got damaged in shipping. That's always a possibility. You know, once it leaves your hands, unfortunately, you know, you have no control over how it arrives. You can package it as nicely as you can, but unfortunately, you have no control over how people handle it. So maybe it got damaged in shipping. I don't know. But again, I would wait to see those pictures and then just kind of go from there. But if you're watching this video, oh, you've purchased from me before. I recognize your name. Empress Bassett. Am I saying that right? Yeah, you've purchased a few things from me before, right? I recognize your name. So you should comment and let me know what goes on, what happened with this, because I'm very curious. Good luck. I hear someone crying. I gotta get my baby boy. I tried to film this while he was napping, but he woke up. Okay, I'll be right back. When you list items to Poshmark, do you automatically have it list to your Facebook page? Recently, someone reported my listing as spam. I'm like, what on earth? What a jerk. All she's doing is killing a small business owner trying to make a living. Okay, so that sucks. I actually don't have my Poshmark connected to my Facebook account. I really don't use Facebook too much. For a little while, I was listing my listings on Pinterest, which actually reminds me I need to go through and delete a lot of pins because I've sold a bunch of things that I had like not cross listed, but like posted on Pinterest. So yeah, so I don't do that. I don't use Facebook that way. But I do recommend trying to get on as many social media platforms as you can because you'll reach a bigger audience. So that's one of those things, like, do as I say, not as I do kind of thing, you know? This is a really long question. Or actually, she said, don't feel like you need to read this in a Q&A because it's just too much. I guess my actual question is, do you have any ideas for storing clothes when you live in a small space? So I prefer, this is what I do. I store things in bins. I think that that's easy. I mean, it's easy for me because I can put, you know, multiple things in a bin and then you can stack the bins. So everything in the bins is already like packaged in a plastic bag. It has a thank you sticker on it. And then when I sell something, I just grab it and put it in a poly mailer, put the label on it, and it's good to go. So yeah, so that's what I do. And I'm not confined to like a small space really, but I find that that works best for me, at least, just to keep things in a bin. Again, you can stack them. I don't know of any other ways. Actually, somebody I watch on YouTube, what is her name? Oh my gosh, I don't remember her name, but I know she has like a room and she's got things on like hangers. That's another thing, I guess you could do. It really depends on how many items you have, I guess. That's what I would say. And the type of items too. Next question, Vanessa, you're the best when it comes to honest advice on Poshmark. Oh, thank you. Oh, you asked another question. This is Cricket D. Boyd. Is your real name Cricket? Because that's really cool if that's your real name. That's really cool. Okay, my question is, I recently sold a bra, new with tags, to a person. When she received the item, she said it was a pointy bra, but in the picture it shows it is a t-shirt bra with a curved front. I noticed that she turned right around and reposted it with my pictures and no descriptions. By the way, she only gave me 3 stars. So that's, yeah, you know, people will do that. You know, I honestly have no problem with reposhing. I do that all the time. I source on Poshmark. I buy things from Poshmark. I'll turn around and sell it. However, I do not use, yeah, you said she used your pictures and your description. No, I don't do that. I don't use the person's pictures. I take my own pictures and I write my own descriptions too. My kids are running up and down the hall. I don't know if you can hear them. But yeah, I don't take other people's pictures. You can actually report them. Like if you don't want them using your pictures, you can report them. I know that's kind of like up in the air. Some people are like, oh, I don't care if people use my pictures. It's flattering. I'm like, no, I friggin' worked hard to take those pictures. Like, no, you're not just gonna take my pictures. Like, no, sorry, not happening. So yeah, so, you know, if that bothers you, you can contact Poshmark. Yes, I've had people do that to me before and it's annoying. Again, if you, you know, don't want them using your pictures, contact Poshmark. But unfortunately, you can't really stop them from turning around and selling it again. But you can stop them from using your pictures for sure. Okay, I think that's going to be it for this video. It's all over the place. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.